Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a set of some glasses, some premium glasses by GIHOP. So let's check these out together. So here is, I guess, instructions for it maybe. Our glasses are hand blown. And let's check them out. Let me see if I'll lower you guys down so you can see as I open it up here. So this is it here. Ooh, check these out. Look how pretty that is. So it's a set of 4 of these. One, oh, you can't see them there. Let me scoot this over. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are sweet looking glasses. And then we have a, well, I think this is like a citrus zester and stuff. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a bottle opener here, so you can kind of clap it up. And then I think this is like the zester that you can run over the skin of a vegetable to, make it a little zest to get that part in there. So how cool are these? These are 100% lead-free crystal. They're good for a gift, and they're hand-blown premium glasses. These are awesome. Look at how nice these are. Wow. It just sounds like crystal. You could probably do that where you go like that, and make the noise. But these are awesome. I like these. These are my new go-to glasses for when I'm having a fancy cocktail. That's for sure. So, for sure, these are going up in the cabinet and ready to use. Thumbs up.